Hola and welcome to Glowzenia. If you're looking for natural beauty secrets inspired by Mexican traditions, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring ancient Mexican beauty remedies that have been used for generations to achieve radiant skin and luscious hair. These traditions are rooted in nature and rely on ingredients like avocado, aloe vera, and hibiscus. Stick around till the end for a powerful DIY Mexican beauty mask that will transform your skin and hair. Segment 1. The Roots of Mexican Beauty Traditions. Mexican beauty traditions date back to the Aztecs and Mayans, who relied on natural ingredients to enhance their beauty. Many of these secrets are still used today, passed down through families. The key: botanical ingredients and holistic self-care. Whether it's using herbal infusions, natural oils, or homemade masks, these remedies are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration to keep your skin and hair healthy. Segment 2. Natural Remedies for Glowing Skin. Let's start with skincare. Here are some of Mexico's best-kept beauty secrets for glowing skin. Aloe vera sabila for hydration. Used for centuries, aloe vera deeply hydrates and heals the skin. Honey and cactus face mask. Honey soothes, while noble cactus is rich in antioxidants to fight acne and dryness. Avocado and oatmeal mask. Avocado nourishes, and oatmeal gently exfoliates, leaving skin soft and supple. White mimosa bark. Known as the skin tree, this powerful ingredient helps with scars and wrinkles. If you try these remedies consistently, your skin will glow with natural beauty. Segment 3. Traditional Mexican Hair Care Secrets. Now, let's talk about Mexican hair care traditions. Strong, thick, and shiny hair has always been a symbol of beauty in Mexican culture. Here are some traditional remedies. Hibiscus flower, flata de meca, rinse. Strengthens hair and promotes shine. Castor oil, aceite resina, scalp massage. Encourages hair growth and prevents hair fall. Chili-infused hair oil, aceite de chili. Stimulates hair growth and strengthens roots. Corn husk hair treatment. Used by indigenous women for soft and manageable hair. Agave nectar hair mask. Deeply nourishes dry and frizzy hair. Including these in your hair routine will restore shine and strength naturally. Segment 4. Mexican Beauty Lifestyle Tips. Beauty is not just about external care, it's also about a healthy lifestyle. Here are some traditional Mexican wellness tips. Drink agua de Jamaica hibiscus tea for detoxification and glowing skin. Use coconut oil, aceite de coco. Use coconut oil, aceite de coco as a natural moisturizer for skin and hair. Eat avocado, papaya, and nuts for healthy skin and hair from within. Practice Temazcal, traditional steam bath for deep cleansing and relaxation. Stay hydrated with agua fresca fruit-infused water. Final DIY recipe: Ultimate Mexican Beauty Mask. 1 TBSP aloe vera gel. 1 TBSP honey. 1/2 mashed avocado. 0.1 TBSP hibiscus powder. Mix everything well and apply to your face and hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will glow, and your hair will feel soft and silky. These ancient Mexican beauty secrets are simple, natural, and highly effective. Try them, and you'll experience a transformation in your skin and hair. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Glowzenia for more beauty tips from around the world. Tell us in the comments, which Mexican beauty remedy are you excited to try first?